Welcome back! Today we're going to learn how to fold an Origami Fox Puppet. Tutorial by Wilson Lee. Here at Heap Art, we're trying to encourage people to communicate more with each other using origami. If you like origami and you like paper airplanes, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell for notifications. I'll be delivering something new to you every single week. Every Friday, I'm going to be posting a new origami tutorial that you've never seen before on the channel. Every Tuesdays, I'm going to be posting a new paper airplane tutorial that's part of my 100 exotic paper airplane challenge. My 100 exotic paper airplane challenge is where I tried to find 100 not so common paper airplanes and show you how to fold them. At the moment, I'm posting on Sundays as well to accelerate the growth of my channel. Eventually, I'll fade them out. Now, back to the model of the day. Today we're learning how to make an origami fox puppet, or also known as the traditional origami fox face. This was one of my favorites when I was a child. It's a hand puppet that has the shape of a fox. I saw this model while scrolling through other channels' videos. I haven't seen this one in a long time, and I realized I really want to put this into my database. And then I recorded this tutorial just to prevent me from forgetting this model again. So please give this origami fox puppet a try. You have to make one if you haven't made one before. It's really fun to play with. For this tutorial, I use a 6-inch square paper. I really don't recommend that. Try to find something really big. Ideally, the piece of paper would be twice the width of your palm. This way you can easily control the origami fox puppet with your hand. Now, let's continue on with the tutorial. If you still got some time, please have a look at the 2 videos that are going to pop up on the screen. I'm pretty sure you're going to like them. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel, and I'll be posting videos like this every single week. And once again, thank you for watching, and see you next time.